Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about 6 basic rules for exponents. Rule 1. Rules of 1. The first rule of Rule 1 is anything to the power of 1 equals itself. For example, 6 to the power of 1 equals 6, or x to the power of 1 equals x. The second rule of Rule 1 is 1 to the power of anything equals 1. For example, 1 to the power of 6 equals 1, or 1 to the power of x equals 1. Rule 2. Product rule. This rule states when you are multiplying two powers with the same base, you can just add the exponents together. For example, 6 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 5 equals 6 to the power of 8, because 3 plus 5 equals 8. Rule 3. Power rule. This rule states when you are raising a power to another power, just multiply the exponents together. For example, 6 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5 equals 6 to the power of 15, because 3 times 5 equals 15. Rule 4. Quotient rule. This rule states when you are dividing two powers with the same base, just subtract the powers. For example, 6 to the power of 5 divided by 6 to the power of 3 equals 6 to the power of 2, because 5 minus 3 equals 2. Rule 5. Zero rule. The first rule of Rule 5 is anything to the power of 0 is 1. For example, 4 to the power of 0 equals 1. The second rule of Rule 5 is 0 to the power of anything is 0. For example, 0 to the power of 4 equals 0. Now you might be wondering, what is 0 to the power of 0? Well, 0 to the power of 0 is unidentified. The final rule is Rule 6, which is the negative exponents rule. This rule states that any non-zero number, or any number except for 0, with a negative power is equal to its reciprocal. A reciprocal is when the denominator and numerator positions switch, and the exponent switches into a positive sign. For example, 4 to the power of negative 2 is the same thing as 4 to the power of negative 2 over 1. So the reciprocal of that is 1 over 4 to the power of negative 2. But we switched the exponent sign. So now it's 1 over 4 to the power of 2. I hope this video helped. See you next time. Bye.